Hello friends, today let's talk on the topic role of massage in competitive sports. First of all, let's start with the introduction. Massage has been used in sports from time immemorial. Athletes have resorted to massage since the day of the Olympic Games, and ancient athletes developed a special tool. So here comes the basic rule of sport massage. Before starting on any description of sport massage, the basic rules of such regime must be addressed to. First one, diagnosis. Second one, history. Third one, contraindications. Fourth one, aim of treatment. Fifth one, position. Sixth one, materials. Seventh one, skin preparation. Eighth one, joint position. Ninth one, check. 10th one, clean up. 11th one, warn participants. So first one, let's start with the diagnosis. Diagnosis will only apply if massage is being used to treat a sports injury. Many sport massages are classified as specific sport massage, that is, not only to treat the particular problem, but to help prepare prior to activity, between hours of activity, or after activity. And second one is non-specific sport massage. Non-specific sport massage is also used to help the body to be in tune. Second one comes the history. It is always a good practice to gain a full history, either relevant to a particular problem or previous experience of any reaction to massage. Third one, contraindication. It is vitally important when dealing with sport people to remember the great risk of recent injury being present. Fourth one, aim of treatment. Aim of treatment is the massage to be stimulating or sedative. The aim of treatment will depend on when massage is being administered, for example, pre or post events. So fifth one, position. It cannot be guaranteed that there will always be a treatment couch available when using massage in sports. Always ensure that therapist is going to be able to perform all the necessary techniques with the greatest ease, and that the recipient is at all times warm and comfortable. And sixth one, material. Various oils may be used, most commonly vegetable base, ice, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory gel. And seventh one, skin preparation. Many sports persons have shaved their legs before competing, and small nicks are not unusual. Aseptic conditions should apply with absolute cleanliness essential. And eighth one, joint position. A track or pit site is preparing to innovative and use whatever is available and suitable to obtain the best joint position. Next one, ninth, check. Always ask the patient if the massage is deep enough, too deep, or as they want it. And 10th one is clean up. Participants cannot enter the competition area covered in oils. Soaps and water are available in the treatment room, but not necessarily at pitch site. In this situation, wet wipes or an astringent lotion should be available for use. So here comes the 11th one, warn the participants. Even if the participants has frequent massages, always warn what to expect as a result of this session. For example, pre-competition stimulating massage may induce a feeling of warmth, but the rule of warm-up must still be observed. So here comes the massage manipulation in sport massage. Sport massage can be divided into 4 types. They are specific sport massage, second one, non-specific sport massage, third one, acupressure, and fourth one is ice massage. So first let's start with the specific sport massage. Specific sport massage is given for a particular region and can be used in 6 different situations. They are massage in conditioning, second one, massage as treatment, third one, pre-competition massage, and fourth one, inter-competition massage, and fifth one, post-competition massage, and last one is post-travel massage. So let's start with massage in conditioning. Conditioning time of year for any sport person will depend entirely on what their goals are for that particular year. Massage at the time of conditioning plays a very important part in the training regime. So comes the objective of massage in conditioning. First one, to promote recovery from hard training session. It is expected after the hard form of exercise that the sport person will experience various ache, pain, and a feeling of tired and heavy limbs. Massage can be invaluable in speeding up recovery at this time. Second one, to add cool down. The objective of the cool down is to return the body to its pre-exercise state as quickly and painlessly as possible. The third one is to prevent delayed onset muscle soreness, that is DOMS. The soreness after exercise may not be noticed for up to 24 hours after cessation of the activity. DOMS can be positively influenced by the application of the correct massage technique. And the fourth one is psychological effect. At a hard time of training for sports person, a massage performed by good knowledgeable practitioner can make a vast difference to their continued well-being and can enhance the benefit of conditioning period. So here comes the contact material. The contact material which are used for this massage are oil and mild warming rubs. Routines and manipulation used. First one is light effleurage. Accustom the person to touch. Also test to see if there is any microtrauma to the soft tissue. Second one, deep effleurage to promote venous and lymphatic drainage. Third one, petrissage to mobilize the soft tissue. Fourth one, acupressure to address any specific tension or trigger spot identified. And fifth one is stroking to provide relaxation and aids venous return. And sixth one is tapotement, shaking, vibration to stimulate and give a feeling of well-being. And seventh one is effleurage to add venous and lymphatic return and to assess the final stage of the tissue. So here comes the methods. Start with the back, then the limbs, concentrating on the muscles most used in the training session, and often finish with the foot massage. So here comes the duration for massage in conditioning. Whole body 1 to 1.5 hours, body half to 3/4 of an hour, This massage can be given on daily basis throughout the conditioning period. So next one is the massage as treatment. Massage as a treatment for sport injury can be used after 48 hours if the bleeding and tissue swelling has ceased. So here comes the objectives of massage as treatment. So the first one is to stimulate circulation. After 48 hours of trauma, it is important to clear away the debris of the incident and remove the excess tissue fluid. The second one is to promote recovery from injury. Massage stimulates circulation and also to ensure the continued good state of surrounding tissue. The third one is to break down adhesion. Post-trauma result in adhesion of scar tissue in the soft tissue, and it is of great source of trouble in sport person. Massage can play a very important part in the recovery of scar and adhesion formation. And the fourth one is to promote flexibility. Massage can provide a useful adjunct to the essential stretch routine performed by the patient. And the fifth one is to improve the range of movement. A return to full range movement is necessary prior to return to full training and competition. Massage is used extensively to facilitate achieving a full range of movement. So here comes the contact material. Contact material which are used for this massage are oil, cream, heat rub, anti-inflammatory gel or cream. So here comes the routines and manipulation used. First one is stroking. Accustom the sport person to touch and discover any area of sensitivity. And second one is effleurage to promote venous and lymphatic return. Third one, petrissage to mobilize soft tissue and induce slight tracing on the those tissue, also to reduce muscle spasm. And fourth one is effleurage. And fifth one is friction to mobilize and break down scar tissues. Sixth one, tapotement. It gives a feeling of well-being. Seventh one, shaking to relieve muscle tension and cramp. Eighth one is rolling. And ninth one is effleurage. So here comes the methods. Always massage proximal and distal area of the body before concentrating on the treatment area proper. The next is the duration for massage as treatment. Duration for massage as treatment, it can be performed for 10 to 30 minutes. The treatment can be used daily depending on patient's level of discomfort, training and competition schedule. So here comes the third one, pre-competition massage. The objective of pre-competition massage are: first one, to prepare muscle for exertion. By increasing the circulation to a specific area and mobilizing soft tissue, pre-competition massage will make easier to carry out the specific stretch needed for any performance. Second one, to add warm-up effects. The vasodilatation caused by massage will enhance this phase of physical preparation. And the third one is psychological effect. The time spent on the massage couch is often used by participants to prepare mentally for the forthcoming action. So here comes the contact material. The contact material which are used for this massage are oil, cream, talcum are all appropriate, but do not use any heating agents. So next is the routines and manipulation used for this massage. First one is stroking, second one is effleurage, third one is pétrissage, fourth one is tapotement, shaking and vibration, fifth one is effleurage, sixth one is trigger point acupressure. The next is the duration for pre-competition massage. It is done frequently for 20 to 30 minutes, but a maximum time of 1 hour. And the fourth one is inter-competition massage. So here comes the objectives of inter-competition massage. They are: first one, to promote recovery; second one, to refresh the competitors; third one, to work out niggles; fourth one, to prevent muscles cramp and spasm. So here comes the contact material which are used. Contact material which are used for this massage can be light oil or soapy water is best. Never use any hot drops. And here comes the routines and manipulation used for this type of massage. First one is stroking, second one is effleurage, third one is pétrissage, the fourth one is acupressure, and fifth one is vibration and shaking, and sixth one is effleurage. So here comes the duration. The duration for intercompetition massage, it may be done only for some minutes or up to an hour. It is best to perform intercompetition massage immediately after cooling down and prior to the next warming up. And the fifth one is post-competition massage. Objectives of post-competition massage are: first one, to carry away waste products; second one, to allow body function to return to normal; third one, to prevent post-exercise pain; fourth one, to work out niggles; fifth one, psychological effect. Here comes the contact material. The contact material which are used for this massage are ice, soapy water, light oil, but not any hot drops or talcum. And next is the routines and manipulation used. All manipulation to be used slowly and rhythmically. The first one is stroking, second one is effleurage, third one is pétrissage, fourth one is an effleurage. So next is the duration. The duration for post-competition massage, it may last from 15 to 30 minutes or may even take a whole hour. This massage is best performed after a cool down and preceded by a tepid shower. And the last one is post-travel massage. Travel problems highlighted in sports are general feeling of stiffness, feeling of lassitude, aches, especially in the lower back, neck and shoulder, swelling of lower leg and feet. So here comes the objectives of post-travel massage. First one, to increase the venous and lymphatic flow. Second one, gently and deeply to stretch the soft tissue. Third one, to remove any residual stiffness. Fourth one, to restore the normal balance of the body. Fifth one, to create a feeling of well-being. And here comes the contact material. The contact material which are used for these massages are oil or creams. Do not use talcum or hot rubs. So here comes the routines and manipulation used. They are, first one is stroking, second one is effleurage, third one is pétrissage, fourth one is effleurage, and fifth one is tapotement. The duration of post-travel massage, it may be a minimum of 30 minutes but may last over an hour. The best results are found after gentle activities such as jog and gentle stretch. Here comes the non-specific sport massage. Non-specific sport massage can be divided into two applications. They are, first one and second one is specific area of massage. And the objectives of general body massage, first one, to enhance a general feeling of well-being, second one, to promote relaxation, third one, to stimulate, fourth one, to monitor the condition of the musculature and soft tissues, fifth one, to highlight and deal with any area which could develop into a problem. So here comes the contact material. The contact material which is used for this massage is oil. So next one is specific area of massage. Depends on the muscle groups most used in the particular events. The competitor may request an area of body to receive massage rather than full body. For example, thrower, back and shoulder, sprinters, hamstring, quadriceps and calf muscles for distance events, and for soccer player, calf massage. So the next one is duration for specific area of massage. The duration for specific area of massage, it can be performed as long as it is needed to gain the desired effect. And the next one is acupressure. Acupressure or acupuncture, acu is Chinese for needle, points are stimulated by finger or thumb pressure. There is a complete therapy using the Tsubos, specific sensitive point used in acupressure and also Seitu. In Japanese, shi is finger and atsu means pressure, where whole hands, elbow, feet and knee may be used to massage the body. In sport massage, acupressure tends to be the specific trigger points. These points are identified are tense, sometimes hard, and always producing pain in the muscle or connective tissue. Once the point to be treated has been identified, the finger or thumb is used to apply pressure to that specific point. The technique is similar to that used in circular friction, but only one finger or thumb tip is used. There are many different opinions as to the length of time the pressure should be held. A firm pressure accompanied with a slight circular motion applied for the maximum of 1 minute, relax and reapplied 3 or 4 times gives good result. The objective is to try to get muscle relaxation in a short time as possible, thus making this technique very useful immediately prior to activity by removing particular spot of muscles and tissue tension. The use of both acupressure and Seitu in sports is growing, and there are many various theories on the subject, from basic application to reduce muscle tension right up to the complete science of the full holistic concept of Oriental medicine. By Downer, 1992. The fourth one is ice massage. The most convenient methods of application of ice massage is to use a polystyrene cup which is filled with water and then frozen. Cut a 1.25 cm ring from the top edge of the cup and then massage the injured area with ice until an erythema is achieved. If dealing with tenderness or small area, an ice cube held in the tissue is best. So here comes the conclusion of today's topic. Sport massage is sport specific, and any therapies involved must know and understand the principle of sports. Most importantly, the rule and call-up time of the sport must be understood. Above all this, choosing of the best technique to deliver the desired effect and use them is of great importance.